Hey guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, G-Tech. Yo, today is a different story, bro. I didn't even want to take you out here, but I am. As you can see, I'm at work right now. I ain't even working car no more. I just do diagnostic jobs. So, guys, stay tuned. We got a whole fucked up truck right now on the trailer. I'm gonna go walk around it and see what's going on with it. Watch this shit. Guys, I know you see this piece of shit behind me. Yo. Yo. Yeah, it's crazy as hell, man. I hope whoever was driving this is alright, man. That shit crazy, as you can see, guys. Shit fucked up. God damn. Look at this, guys. Hope these people alright, man.